In today's episode, we will be learning how to turn off the vibration in Candy Crush Saga mobile application. To turn off the vibration in Candy Crush Saga, you can follow these steps. Launch open the Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device, and once you're inside this page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu where you can see a mobile device icon with a little vibrating action going on in it. Simply tap on it and make sure that the icon is crossed with a red line. As long as the vibration icon is crossed with a red line, it means that you have turned off vibrations on your game. That is how you turn off vibration in Candy Crush Saga. You can now go ahead and play Candy Crush Saga without feeling the vibration whenever you cross a candy or your target. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Gamers Tech for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.